Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Listen Easy channel.
Hey everyone, great to be here with you today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
Okay, Jack, how are you doing today?
Honestly, a little tired.
Oh no, why?
I tried something new this morning. I went for a run.
A run? You?
Yes, me. Why do you say it like that?
I didn't know you were a runner.
I'm not. That's the problem.
How far did you go?
Maybe 10 minutes. Then I stopped and bought a donut.
A donut after your run?
I earned it, Emma.
You absolutely did not earn it.
I absolutely did. My legs hurt.
Oh, Jack, I love you. Okay, how about energy? Scale of 1 to 10.
After the donut, 6.
I'm a solid 8 today.
What did you do? Sleep 12 hours?
No, I just woke up in a good mood. It happens.
Must be nice.
It is. Okay, let's talk about today's topic.
Yes, today is a great one.
Really great. We're talking about how to learn new words.
Vocabulary, the thing everyone struggles with.
Everyone at every level.
Because there are so many words in English.
So many, like an uncomfortable amount of words.
Truly uncomfortable.
But here's the good news. You don't need all of them.
You really don't. You need the right ones.
The ones you actually use in your life.
Exactly. Okay, so how do most people try to learn new words?
I think most people make a list.
Yeah, you see a new word, you write it down, you study the list later.
And then you forget everything in 2 days.
Every time.
Every single time. And it's not because you're bad at learning.
It's because lists are boring.
So boring. Your brain doesn't hold on to boring things.
Your brain wants stories, emotions, connections.
Exactly. When a word means something to you, you remember it.
Okay, so what do you do? How do you personally learn new words?
Okay, so my main method is context.
Meaning?
Meaning, I don't study words alone. I see them in sentences, in conversations, in shows.
So the word comes with a situation.
Yes, like imagine you hear the word exhausted for the first time.
Okay.
And you hear it when a character in a show just ran a marathon and collapses on the ground.
Okay.
You don't forget that word because you saw it, you felt it.
You connected it to something real.
Exactly. Context makes words stick.
That's really smart. I do something similar, actually.
What do you do?
I use words immediately. Like the same day I learn a word, I try to use it.
Oh, I love that.
In a text message, in a conversation, even just talking to myself.
Talking to yourself?
Don't judge me, it works.
No, it actually does work.
If I learn the word nervous today, I'll say it out loud. I feel nervous about my run tomorrow.
Very relevant example.
Very personal, but that's the point. You make it yours.
You put it in your life.
Yes, and then it stays.
Okay, what about writing words down? Is that useful at all?
I think it can be, but not just the word.
Right, not just exhausted, very tired.
Write the word, write a sentence with it, maybe draw a small picture.
Oh, pictures are great.
Even a terrible drawing.
Your drawing doesn't have to be good.
Mine is never good.
Same. But your brain remembers the image, even a bad one.
Especially a funny one.
True. If you draw something silly, you'll laugh when you see it, and you'll remember.
Humor helps memory. That's real.
Completely real. Okay, story time.
Yes, I have a good one.
Tell me.
Okay, so a few years ago, I was learning some new vocabulary and I learned the word awkward.
Good word.
Great word. So I wrote it down, I made a sentence, everything normal.
Okay.
Then the next day, I was at a work lunch and something happened that was very quiet and uncomfortable and strange.
Ooh, what happened?
Someone told a joke, nobody laughed.
Oh no.
Just silence for like 5 full seconds.
That is painful.
And in my head, I thought, this is so awkward, and I felt the word right there in my body.
In your body?
I never forgot it after that.
Because it was connected to a real moment.
A real, uncomfortable, silent moment.
Poor lunch table, but great vocabulary lesson.
The best lesson. Uncomfortable experiences teach you things.
That is deeply true.
Uncomfortably true.
Okay, I have a story too. Mine is a little embarrassing.
Perfect. Go ahead.
So, I was learning new words and I learned the word complicated.
Okay.
And I felt very confident. I practiced it. I was ready.
I already feel nervous for you.
So, I was talking to a new friend in English, and I wanted to say that a situation was complicated.
Sounds fine.
But I mixed it up with a similar sounding word.
Which word?
I said the situation was constipated.
Emma.
I know.
That is not the same word.
I realized immediately. I turned so red.
What did your friend say?
She just stopped and looked at me.
Like a confused puppy.
Exactly like a confused puppy. And I said, I mean complicated. And she laughed for like 2 minutes.
That is amazing. I love the story.
The point is, I never mixed those two words again.
I bet.
Embarrassment is a great teacher.
Possibly the best teacher.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. They help you remember.
Seriously, every mistake is a memory.
And a good story.
Definitely a good story. Okay, listeners, quick break.
Yes. Hi, beautiful people. If you are enjoying this episode,
Please give it a like. It really helps us. So, we talked about context, using words the same day, writing with pictures.
all great methods. What about apps, like vocabulary apps?
Oh, yes, apps can be really useful.
I think apps are good for review.
Right. Like you learn a word somewhere, in a show, in a conversation, and then you put it in an app to practice.
Flashcard style.
Yes. See the word, remember the meaning, check yourself.
Spaced repetition.
Which means you see the word again and again, but not every day, just at the right moments.
When your brain is about to forget it.
Exactly. The app reminds you just in time.
It sounds technical, but it really works.
It really does. I used an app for 6 months and my vocabulary grew a lot.
Which app?
I don't want to say one specific name,
Very diplomatic.
but there are many good ones. Try a few and see what you like.
Agreed. The best app is the one you actually use.
The one that doesn't sit on your phone unused,
Like my fitness app.
like my running shoes.
Okay, another method, reading. Even simple reading.
Yes, reading is amazing for vocabulary.
And you don't have to read hard books.
No, start simple, short articles, simple stories, news for learners.
There are websites with easy English news.
And when you see a new word, don't stop and look up every single one.
Oh, that's important.
Because if you stop for every word, you lose the story, you lose the flow.
And it becomes frustrating.
Very frustrating. So, guess first.
Try to understand from context.
What is the sentence about? What does the paragraph mean? The word probably fits somewhere in that meaning.
And after you finish reading, then look up the words you really didn't understand.
2 or 3 key words, not 20.
Quality over quantity.
Always. 5 words you really learn are better than 50 words you forget.
So true. Okay, here's something I started doing recently that I really like.
What is it?
Word families.
Oh, interesting. Tell them.
So when I learn one word, I try to learn its family at the same time.
Give an example.
Okay, the word happy. I also learn happiness, unhappy, happily.
Oh, so you learn one word, but you actually learn 4 words.
Exactly. And they're all connected, so it's easy.
That's efficient.
Very efficient, and your brain makes connections between them.
Like a little word family tree.
Exactly like that.
I love that. I'm going to start doing that.
It really changed how I study.
Okay, and one last thing I want to mention. Review.
Oh, yes, so important.
Because learning a word once is not enough.
Your brain needs to see it multiple times.
Some people say you need to see a word 7 times before it really stays.
7?
Maybe more, maybe less, but the point is, once is not enough.
So you have to go back.
Review your notes, re-watch parts of a show, reread something.
Keep meeting the same words in different situations.
And one day, the word just comes without thinking.
That's the goal, right? When you don't have to think about it anymore.
When it's just part of you.
I love that feeling.
It's the best. Okay, let's do a light recap.
Yes, so today we talked about how to learn new words.
We said lists alone don't work well.
Context is better. See words in real situations.
Use new words the same day you learn them.
Write them with sentences and pictures, even bad pictures.
Especially bad pictures.
Apps are great for review and spaced repetition.
Read simple English. Guess unknown words from context.
Learn word families and review.
And embarrass yourself sometimes. It helps.
It genuinely helps.
Ask Emma. She knows.
I know from experience. Okay, bonus tip time.
Yes, this one is really practical. I like this one a lot.
Today's tip is stop translating in your head.
Oh, say more.
So when most people learn a new word, they think in their language first, then translate to English.
Right, like you think the word in your language and then you find the English word.
Exactly. And that's slow, and it's exhausting.
So what do you do instead?
You connect the English word directly to an image, a feeling, a memory.
Not a translation.
Not a translation. Like the word cozy. Don't think of the word in your language.
Okay.
Think of a warm blanket, a cup of tea, rain outside the window.
Oh, I feel that.
Right? Your brain went straight to the feeling. No translation needed.
That's actually kind of amazing.
It takes practice, but the more you do it, the faster your English becomes.
Because you stop going through a middle step.
Exactly. Word, feeling, direct connection.
Like a shortcut in your brain.
The best shortcut. Try it today with just one word.
One word. Direct connection, no translation.
You'll be surprised how different it feels.
You can do this.
We really believe that.
Okay, beautiful people, that is our episode for today.
Thank you so much for listening with us.
Seriously, you made it to the end. That is a real achievement.
Every minute you listened, your English got a little better.
A little better, and that adds up.
Okay, before we go, we have a question for you.
One question, and we want you to answer in the comments.
The question is, what is your favorite method for learning new words?
Do you use apps, flashcards, shows?
Or do you have a special method that works for you?
Tell us. We love reading your comments.
And maybe your method will help someone else in this community.
That would be amazing.
This community is the best. We mean that.
We really do. Okay, subscribe if you haven't.
Like the video, share it with a friend.
And we will see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye, beautiful people.
Bye.